Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share with you gold analysis. From the first time that we updated this analysis, it was on January 6th, and as you can see, all the targets were reached and the price is above this area. Also, during the last analysis that I also updated, the price was in this zone here. It reached also the maximum area that we're looking at for a possible reversal, and the price now is real. We have to be careful in these conditions where we are right now. I'm going to delete the chart for the moment. We don't need this anymore. We have to be very careful because the price is already testing a very strong zone. The pattern that we are looking at was completed. The C wave extended more, and in my opinion, if we are going to look at in that perspective, on the pattern perspective that we are looking at before, the chances are that probably we are in this pattern here right now, considering also the transformation that the pattern created, and the chances are that we can be at the beginning of another bearish wave that can push price down up to 2650 probably. However, we are going to look at the targets later. For the moment that I'm looking at is that the price was about to test the all-time high here. It was at 2790, which is a very strong zone, all-time high. And in my opinion, gold is not making any sense to test the all-time high in normal conditions. The geopolitical situation looks normal overall, considering that Trump is making big changes. Is the problem with the tariffs that we are looking at, and all the market is focused about the decisions because Trump said that they are going to increase by 25% the new tariffs with Mexico and Canada and 10% with China. However, it doesn't make sense that golds move only up and everyone is considering this as a risk, because on the other hand he is not going to treat the global economy, so it's not making sense overall. On the other hand, we have also FOMC market. The market is also speculating for a possible rate cut, but the problem is that gold is growing with a rate cut and is growing with the interest rates when they were increased before. So this is something that is not in line at all. On the other hand, the current price, where the price is right now, the current zone, we can see that this area here was very strong. The price was rejected also on the past. This is the all-time high. We don't have higher areas on the left side, so we are at the top of the structure. And considering that the price increased with a 3-wave up, which is making this something more complex overall, and we have to be careful, I think that the chances are that we may be in a bearish movement. The problem is that if we are going to move back on a 60-minute chart, we don't have any clear reversal pattern. This is only a movement. And I think that probably we can see only a V-shaped reversal, and is one of those reversals that you can never catch. The problem is that just moves on the opposite side of the previous moves, and you see them only when it happens. So this is why I think that the price may continue to develop this bigger picture. Sorry. So the chances are from this movement we can be in a very complex scenario, probably in this scenario, or probably the price can break and it can move down further. So this is the picture that I'm looking at for gold. It's a very complex picture, and also in this complex scenario, WXYXZ. If the price will continue to move down from this area here, the first support zone will be found near to this top, 2719, 2720. This is the first area where the price will face the first support zone and may react. Another one is this here. As you can see, we have very strong support and also resistance in this part. We can see this part here where the price reacted previously. It was this zone and it was this zone. One resistance, one support. The next one close to 2665, but considering that we are on a higher time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, probably the price may take time to reach these areas. However, everything is related to the speed of the sell-off that may happen. So let's see, this is overall what I'm looking at. The problem is that the price has to confirm first before it moves down. It's too early, but this is a possible scenario with higher chances that I am looking at, considering that the price is also testing this zone here, the all-time high zone. So let's see what is going to happen during the coming days. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.